Hi everyone, it's a pleasure to welcome you to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can log out of Facebook application. Please, friends, be sure to put your likes, write comments, and also subscribe to this channel. And let's get on with our topic. And if you want to log out of the Facebook app on your device, then you'll need to go down to the menu section at the bottom. Scroll down to the bottom, where you'll find the word Sign Out. Click on it and just confirm the action by tapping Exit again. But if, friends, you want to log out of Facebook from some other device that you logged in from before, but you don't have that device with you at the moment, then I'll show you how to do that. Go to the gear at the top and then go to the Meta Account Center. Next, select Security Passwords and where you logged in. Next, select your Facebook page. And friends, this is where you'll see a list of all the devices you've logged into your Facebook page from. And let's say, if you want to log out of any of them, or you see that it's not you logged into Facebook at all, maybe somebody logged in, somebody knows your password, then you're gonna have to click here, select device. Next, select all the devices that you want to log out of. At the bottom, click Exit. So you will remotely log out of your Facebook page immediately from another device. This is the way, friends, you will be able to log out of Facebook. I hope this video has helped you and was useful to you. Please, friends, write your comments, put your likes, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. Take care.